Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you a recent hack that I've used. So if you're using Grammarly when you compose your sentences, and you're in the free plan, the the free tier of the plan. So while you compose your sentence and you reach this point wherein it doesn't have any credits to give you or cannot correct the grammar for you for that day, because for all that doesn't use Grammarly, so Grammarly is a automatic uh, corrector of grammar. So it highlights the part of the sentences that are not correct in your grammar, and if you are in a free trial, it usually is showing there on the improve your text part. It shows there what you need to correct and what's the correct sentence. And if you click there, it automatically corrects your paragraph or sentence into a correct grammar. But in this case, for each day, you're only allowed for a limited number of corrections for a free plan. And because of that, Grammarly is encouraging you to upgrade into Pro. But as you can see here, Pro is around $12. So this is Grammarly. Pro is 12 US dollars per month. And of course, I'm cheap. No, you know, I find ways on how to overcome this. So I use ChatGPT. So what I did was, so I pasted this draft of mine into ChatGPT and gave ChatGPT its instructions. So the instructions I did for ChatGPT is, you are a Grammarly Pro account. So I'm saying to ChatGPT that it should act as a Grammarly Pro account. And I said, can you correct this paragraph below? So I pasted below the paragraph that I was making a draft on. And then it gave me a polished version of the paragraph. It gave me this. And then to check if this was correct in on the view of Grammarly, I pasted it on the docs under ChatGPT. As you can see, it only has one minor error here, which is also subjective, as compared to several errors here on top. So that did the work, and I've also tested it on another sentence that I made, like this one. As you can see, there are many errors. So if you can see here, that's the normal correction that Grammarly is making it available for you to use every day, but for a limited sample only per day. And I tested again for this. I pasted it again in ChatGPT with the same prompt, and it corrected it again. And then I pasted it again to Google Docs to check if Grammarly would see some errors, and it doesn't have errors right now. So that did the trick. So yeah, you may think that I'm cheap, but it worked. So instead of spending $12 for this Grammarly, you can go buy some milk tea or some chicken joy Jollibee. So if you want some other tips like this, follow my channel for more. Thank you.